It is July 7th, 2015, and the Waterbrook 2.0 project that has been delayed for months because of the rain here in North Texas this spring. The rain is finally finished, enough to let us do the concrete pouring on the brand new lane. This is the lane that surrounds the Waterbrook property. The new 2.0 building is going to go over here to the left of the screen, just off of where the lane is. And we have a special treat for you today, since we finally got the project going and got the concrete trucks out here today. You can see them behind me. They're out here working on that lane and smoothing it out, contouring it for drainage. So our special treat is we've got some aerial footage for you today of what they're doing and what was going on here on the Waterbrook property, that you can get a bird's eye view and share in the excitement today. Giving to the Waterbrook Building Project 2.0, and keep praying for the new discipleship building that's coming here on the Waterbrook campus in 2015.